It's Velcro's birthday. Velcro's gonna be 2. Princess Velcro. Princess Velcro, what's this? We've got a cake for you. Dad's lighting your candle. Velcro, what's this?
Velcro.
Let your sister get it. Come on. Velcro, come here. Yeah, good girl.
Come on, Velcro.
Velcro,
Velcro.
what is it?
Come here. Velcro. Come up here.
What is it?
Come up here.
Good girl. Oh, you're being such a good girl, yeah.
Come here.
What is it? You got a cake up on the table.
Come here.
This is the first time she's ever not wanted to jump on the table. Velcro, get up on the table.
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's your birthday. It's okay.
You smiley girl.
Come here.
Come here, smiley girl. You gonna smile? Are you smiling about it? She's smiling. Girl, it's your birthday, Velcro. Put on your tiara and blow out the candles on your cake.
Come here.
Mom baked a pumpkin carrot bacon cake. Oh, Velcro. Can you blow out the big candle? Make
Ready?
a wish?
1, 2.
3. Come on, blow it out. Make a wish.
Yay!
Yay, Velcro!
Yay!
Yay, Velcro. Now you guys are going to get a piece of cake. Good girl, Velcro. Happy birthday, sweetheart. I love you so much, my little redhead. She's my redhead.
Oh.
Yeah, just get it right.
Good girl. Good girl. How much?
I would just cut like the end of the bone and
And then
cut
split
that.
it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty decadent. A carrot bacon pumpkin cake with cream cheese frosting. You lucky girls. Gypsy, we're going to repeat this next month when it's your birthday.
Chop it up.
No, I think, yeah. That's probably good. They'll gulp it. Dad's serving the birthday cake. Such a good girl. Where's Velcro? There's Velcro. Are you waiting patiently under there to get your cake? Good girl.
I
Oh.
don't know which one is which.
Oh, usually Velcro's on the left and Gypsy's on the right. Good girls! Good girls! Oh, you love that. Was that good or what? Look at those birthday girls with their cake. Was that good? Was that good, Velcro? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a dog food kiss? Good girls! Good girls! Was that a special treat or what?
Happy birthday.
Ah, you only turned 2 once. Yay! Yay, Velcro! Good girl! Yeah, that was good. Good girl. I love you. I love you, beautiful girl, yeah.
Can you smile?
You gonna smile at Dad or give him a dog food kiss? Or you want a butt rub? Good girl, Bella.
Yeah.
Oh, Gypsy gave her a kiss too.
Good girl.
Okay, we can take off those tiaras now. Good girls. Yay, Velcro's too. Oh, when we have to get the one, we got
toy.
our new toy. I almost forgot. We got a new snake. It's a snake.
Wait.
Get the- yeah, Dad's got to take the tags off. We got a new snake to replace your old one that you pulled all the squeakers out of. Yeah. What is it?
Okay. Look at that. Yay. Here you
Yay,
go.
it's a new snake.
Here.
Get it.
Get it.
Get the snake. Get it. Good girls. Yay. Happy birthday, Velcro.